Welcome back to Jace Lane Adventures, Part 6 of repairing the pond and installing a core trench. In this video, I'm organizing the dirt, cleaning up the shoreline, and the pan of the pond. I also install a light bar on the loader so I can, of course, run the machine after dark. This is a tremendous help. If you don't already have lights on your heavy equipment, I suggest doing so. Now I run out of the good clay local to the pond. I must go outsource the clay in other locations of the property, which I use the dump truck to haul. You can see the difference in color if you look up in the pond. I've pretty much cored out what I'm going to core out. Now I just have to put back the good dirt and track and pack that dirt. Again, I get the loader stuck with one track. If this happens, I suggest stopping, get some help, either with another machine that can pull you out or use an excavator to dig out the bad dirt. Put back some good packing clay to help form a pad which you can climb out on. In my opinion, if you will make it worse if you move around in the mud without any help. It's basically a never-ending process if you don't get help immediately. It's worse to move around. So now I just have to keep tracking and packing. I'm going to bring more good clay in, of course, spread it out, track it in, pack it in, and the core trench is finished as far as I've dug down deep enough and I've put back the good clay, and now I've got to build it up to the height of what's already there, and then once that height has been built up, I can finish the dam, put the center back in. I'm going to also bring it up a little bit higher around the from one side to the other to create a depth for the pond. Maybe it'll be a little deeper than what you're seeing right there, pretty much is what I'm saying. Also, I'm adding a peninsula of dirt on this side of the pond to help create another pond feature, which I'll put rock on top of it, so make swimming activities or just something to go out you can walk out on. This has been an extremely long process, way more work than I thought it was going to be, but there's no adventure if you don't do anything, so that's why it's an adventure. Take your time, do the work, it'll turn out just fine.